So can you really make hard-earned cash shopping at the outlet malls? Well, stay tuned for the rest of this video because I'm gonna take you guys along on a ride, on a journey with me to the outlet mall and see if we can make some hard-earned cash. But first, guys, we gotta stop and get some gas because without gas, we can't get to the mall. And without the mall, we can't make any money. So let's stop and get some gas. Alright guys, so first stop was a fail. We stopped at the Vans outlet. Turns out they made some stupid rule saying only 10 pairs of shoes per person now, which is stupid. So we can only get 20 pairs. I think we spent $647 after tax. And for the people that say, why don't you use tax exempt? They don't allow tax exempt at the outlet malls for most of the stores. That's why. Places like Marshall's will. TJ Maxx will accept it. Ross will not. So, yes, I have a tax exempt certificate, but a lot of places don't accept it on bulk buys. So, there you go. We're heading to the next mall. We got Adidas, Nike, Reebok, Puma, a bunch of other stores. So, let's see if we could fill the back of this car up.
How do you know your preferred?
Alright guys, so not gonna tell you which store this is. Sorry, it's at the outlet, so you could probably figure it out, but spent $616.19. You guys can see right there, bang. Didn't see my credit card. Oh, Garrett, that's from the Vans store. No, it's not. Here's the other Vans receipt for $647. So we spent about 1,300 bucks. Now, off to Adidas we go. Let's go. All right guys, I'm back at my shop. Didn't want to bore you guys, kind of taking you guys around everywhere and doing stuff. This is actually the next day and I'm actually a little bit sick. Got a sinus infection, so pardon my voice, but got a bunch of shoes from Adidas. One of the managers hit me up saying, come through. We're closing out this style of shoes, Sambros. So I've actually sold quite a bit of these, so the profits are pretty good on those. They're actually selling on multiple platforms, eBay for a profit, Amazon. I haven't checked StockX, not sure. Then a couple other various shoes. Got some stuff at Nike, just some women's clothing, and then got a bunch of Vans as well. Got a great deal on these. I think I paid $30 a piece on these. They're all selling for over 70 plus. So gonna make a good $20 profit as of right now from what the marketplace is telling me. Things change though. But yeah, I'm gonna prep all these in. I'm gonna kind of show you the process of prepping stuff. Might look up some other stuff on different marketplaces for you guys just to show you that opportunities everywhere. I know I post a lot of Amazon content, but been doing a little bit on like StockX and stuff like that, which has been awesome. Sold a lot of those. I don't know if any of you guys got any of the Tyler the Creator Converse from the outlets when they had them. I got about 40 pairs and sold a majority of them already on StockX. So definitely money to be made there as well. But let's get all these prepped in and I'll show you guys kind of the results and the outcome. Also guys, kind of want to note, I went shopping for I hit 3 stores. Took me about 2 hours to shop at the outlet mall. So 2 hours of sourcing. It's right down the street from my house, 5-minute drive. We're 2 hours in. I'll time how long it takes me to prep. As of right now, it is 9:05 a.m. So I'm gonna prep this stuff up. Hopefully I can get it boxed, labeled, everything good to go within the next 2 to 3 hours. So we're all in at 5 hours total of work time, just to kind of give you an idea of how long it's taken me to do this stuff as well. So stay tuned. Alright guys, just finished up packing and prepping, labeling all the boxes to ship off to Amazon. There's probably a handful of items left out, a few pairs of shoes that I'm going to be selling on different marketplaces. So yeah, those won't be included in the numbers, but just know there's a few extra items. Shipment right here, only 5 boxes. Most of the stuff was clothing, and there's like 20 pairs of shoes, but a lot of them were Vans. So you can actually fit them into the smaller boxes a lot easier. But let's dive right on into my computer right here. Alright guys, so net profit is total sales is going to be $5,778. Buy cost $2,400 with a net profit of $1,916.04. Alright guys, there is also a few items, like I said, left out to sell on other marketplaces, specifically StockX. Been doing a little bit of StockX, just, playing around with it, making some extra cash. I always assume if I'm at the store and I find something I could flip on StockX that's not particularly on Amazon, might as well do it. Also, a cool feature about StockX, guys, is people already put in bids for items, so you can be doing research in these stores, and if someone has already placed a bid that's profitable for you, you can instantly click sell your item, and you've instantly got that sale and instantly made that profit, and then you ship your pair of shoes or whatever type of item, clothing item maybe, off to StockX. They verify the authenticity of it, and then they release the funds to you. So it's a pretty cool marketplace. If you guys haven't checked that out already, those of you who are looking to sell shoes. As always, I like trying to make these videos a bit more than just like a little sourcing vlog or making money. I want to give you guys some actionable tips, and I want to give you guys some tips about building in profit when you're out there doing retail arbitrage. This is really going to set you apart from the competition because you're going to be building in profits, lowering that specific buy cost on a specific item to where your competition just isn't doing, right? So what are some ways that we can build in a discount onto these items, all right? One is going to be using credit cards that actually give you guys rewards back, cash back, or maybe you're getting gift cards or air points, something to where you're making money back from using that credit card. Obviously, we want to pay these credit cards off in time, but that extra 1-2%, I know some go up to 5% cash back that you can get. That's just building in extra profit on top of what you're already making. Second way is all these stores you're shopping at, whether it's the outlets or whatever, they all typically have some type of rewards program. So I always sign up, they send me coupons through the mail, and that's just an additional way to get extra discounts sent to you that the public just isn't getting. Third is some of these stores, specifically like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, they have in-store credit cards that you can apply to. And for example, at Marshall's, I'm getting an extra 5% back if I'm using their credit card to buy their products. So that's an extra 5% of buy cost built back into the profit. So it's just an extra 5% profit on top of whatever I'm using. Also guys, it's always good to be aware, check before you go out sourcing, are these stores running any sales? Specifically outlet malls, you can go online, see the deals that are running. Nike might be having a 30% off this weekend. So those are definitely sales you guys are gonna wanna catch. That extra 30% off. You might have a different type of credit card you're using, that's an extra 2% off. So just stacking your credit card points as much as possible is a great way to get discounts. Also, another thing, if you want to actually purchase gift cards online to these stores with your 2% back credit card, you can buy discount gift cards online from places like Raise.com. There's a ton of different discount gift card websites. Some of them you can get up to like 5 to 10% off of the actual value of the card. So if you're sourcing stores regularly, this is an awesome way to actually build an extra few percent into your net profits. But guys, that's going to wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like making money online, Amazon, e-commerce in general, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. Also guys, we have an amazing Facebook community. Link down in the description. It's completely free, so be sure to join that and check that out as well. As always guys, I'll see you guys on the next video.